On this episode, we're dealing with a no start situation, which is frustrating and is just so Fiat specific. You just won't believe it. Yesterday, I drove this car about 150 miles in the rain. It survived. Let's put it that way. It survived. Today, I decided I was going to work on these T-5 bulbs in here and replace them with the LEDs. These things are really small, but I'm going to try to show you. So it has two tabs on each side. One tab is positive, one tab is negative, but there's a tab on both sides. So when you plug it in, it doesn't work. Why? Because it's feeding power from the positive side and the negative side at the same time, and it won't light up. So I'm going to demonstrate. I know you can't see, but so this is the incandescent bulb. There's one little copper wire here, nothing over here. Flip it over, copper wire there, nothing over there. So what happens when you plug, well, I already said that. Let me demonstrate again. So now when we plug it in, positive is on this side, negative is on this side, and it'll send power. It's hard to focus. So I'm getting this done, and then I try to turn the car on, and the car won't start. I don't have any power to the fuel pump. I got nothing. I check spark, I got spark. I don't have any power to fuel. Again, I always go to catastrophic failure first. So, I check timing, it's all lined up. I spray some starter fluid in there. It fires over and dies. Why won't the fuel pump turn on? Found out. So I dropped the fuse box. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to turn the car on. This controls the windshield wipers. I'm clicking it and nothing happens. This is probably going to blow the fuse. Turn it off. Put it back in. You stupid. Get your stupid. Turn car on. Turn on wipers. Wipers are wiping. Pull this fuse. Turn on car. Start car. Car's off. Put in fuse. Turn on car. Car runs. Don't ask me why. This pink and black wire goes to the fuel pump and it plugs in to this fuse for the windshield wiper motor. Now I went and looked at the wiring diagram and I'll show you. So if we look up here, it says fuel injection circuits. And then if you look right here, it says pink and black, and then it says fuse box. It doesn't tell you which one, but it tells you that this pink and black wire goes to the fuse box. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you have a no start situation because your fuel pump's not coming on, check this fuse on number 12 where the pink and black wire plugs in. And if you look at this fuse, I put some solder on it. It didn't blow, it broke. But I ordered some new ones, and I'm going to probably upgrade that from 8 amps to 10 amps. Oh, it's not number 12, it's number 2. Sorry. Pink and black wire goes to the fuel pump. Bizarre. Anyway, I'm going to get back to messing with those light bulbs, because I thought the light bulbs wouldn't let the car start, but turns out it's just the windshield wiper fuse. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.